Hello everyone! Let's Go Places by Cheryla presents Experience the Taste of Big Way Hot Pot in New Westminster. Big Way Hot Pot is a popular hot pot chain in Metro Vancouver, Canada. It has quickly become one of the fastest growing hot pot chains in Metro Vancouver. It is known for its unique build-your-own hot pot experience, where you can choose from a wide variety of fresh ingredients and customize your broth. At Big Way Hot Pot, the use of robot servers is on the rise, enhancing the dining experience and efficiently assisting with serving food. Let's go places! Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Big Way Hot Pot offers a one-of-a-kind hot pot dining experience that brings together rich, authentic flavors in every bite. Let's go places. Their soup bases are crafted with traditional recipes, and they even have vegan options available. Let's go places. Let's Go Places. Please subscribe to Let's Go Places by Cheryla. Thank you.